The Qadyanis, the followers of Mirza, continue to live in Qadian in India as a minority. When in 1947, Allah blessed the Muslims with a separate land to where many of our ancestors migrated, to Pakistan, Qadyanis followed them. After 40 years of living as a minority in a country ruled by the British, they enjoyed no independence, no freedom. They lived as a minority. When the Muslims went to Pakistan, Qadyanis followed them. They made a base in what later became Rabwa. Then in Pakistan as well, in 1974, when Bhutto was alive, the whole parliament of Pakistan legislated and declared them to be non-Muslims. Then eventually afterwards, Qadiani saw no option but to leave Pakistan. Their hierarchy came and settled in the UK. They made their base, world international headquarters in the UK. After 1908, they were a minority. After 1948, they were a minority. Now even in the UK, they continue to be a minority. They have enjoyed no freedom. They have enjoyed no success, no independence. Wherever they've been in that state of a minority, living under the banner, under the shade of Muslims, not as a separate nation. So they should question their hierarchy. They should question their leaders. How long are we going to continue to suffer? Isn't it time? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam suffered, but only for 10, 12 years. Allah gave him freedom, status, a state, a power. When the Prophet ﷺ came to Medina, Musa alayhi salam, his nation suffered. But after 40 years, Allah gave them a separate land. Other prophets, they suffered opposition, but Allah wiped out their opposition in their lifetime. Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani's opposition continues till this day. So Qadiani is listening. Open your eyes, open your minds and hearts. Question your leadership and abandon the falsehood of Qadianism. Come to the real Islam. Come to your parent body. We will welcome you with open arms.